guys the process on how all the printing gets done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 colors. So 9 screens.
Seems so thick. Low riders, 77 Sevilles, L dogs, nothing but them blacks. All the players, all the hustlers. I'm talking about a black man heaven here. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
It's beginning to look a lot like wood. Follow my every step. Take notes on how I crept. I was about to go in depth. This is the way I greet my season. Here's my ghetto rep. I kept, to say the least, no, it can't cease. So I began to piece my 2 and 2 together. Got no snowy weather. Have to find something to do better. Bet I'm like no matter what the season. Forever chill with Smith. I set my fifth. I chill with West and got my reasons. So tell me, what did you expect? You thought I'd break my neck to help y'all deck? Oh no, I got other means of celebrating. I'm getting blizzard at Hojo. I got the hoochie waiting. I made it through another year. Can't ask for nothing much more. It's outcast for the books. I thought you knew, so now you know. Let's go.
What's up, my dudes? It's a wonderful day. Welcome back. Oh shit. Can anybody guess where we're headed to right now? We're going to VJC. Where else would we be going? Come on. Every video we go VJC, but this time we're going for fun. I don't have any new wheels or anything, so I'm not putting on tires or none of that. I won't make Abraham work or anything. I'm about to surprise Ivan with a gift. I've had this gift too for like a long time. I just forgot to give it to him. Ivan's always asking me where he can get stuff made, like t-shirts or product, or where like he wants to make stuff for VJC, you know? I'm trying to help him out, and he's basically only made like t-shirts. So he does a lot for me. He always takes care of me. I thought it'd be cool to get him license plate frames, because like he's a tire shop, so that'd be like all the cars that come in can just rock one, you know, or buy one, pick one up. I thought that would be a good addition to his lineup, so I got these made. That's the logo, and then it says never miss the flip, because Ivan doesn't miss the flip, man. But yeah, we're gonna go over there right now, surprise him with these. If you guys are local, stop by the shop, pick one up. We got a lot of new stuff on the site. We got some cups, tumblers, insulated, man. 4 different styles. We got trucker hats now. First time ever. We've never made trucker hats. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for always supporting. Let's go to VJC.
What's up, fool? I was about to go to Branded right now.
What's Branded?
Let's go. You make shirts.
Oh, hey, I got some new wheels in the back. Can I have some tires?
Yeah.
Okay.
Whatever you want. Where are they?
Oh, they're back here actually.
Are those the ones that don't fit?
Yeah. Hey, wait, can you get this box for me? This one?
Yeah.
That one right there. Yeah, that one.
No fucking way, bro.
You like them? You like them?
Yeah, dog.
Dude, I've had them for a long time. Oh, look at you. Kept forgetting to give them to you.
Shout out to the homie Taylor. Thank you, bro.
Yeah.
These shits are fucking
Never
sick.
missed the. You never missed the flip, dude.
Bro, this is dope as fuck.
Actually, I need to keep one.
Bro, how much are we for this? No, Taylor.
No. Hey, what's up, man?
Or tell me where to order these shits. I want to order more.
Give me this card.
Which one?
This one.
You're lying. What are you gonna do with it?
Oh.
You'll pay for the registration to get it fixed?
What's wrong with it?
Look, I haven't smogged it.
Dude, this thing is gangster.
Yeah, I just did the wheels.
Yeah, dude.
Refinished.
Look at that thing, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna go put these inside real quick. Hey, meet the new employee. This is Daniel.
What's up, man?
What's up, bro? Daniel, nice to meet you.
Taylor.
I'm out there right now.
Oh, no, it's all good.
This is Taylor, the owner of Karuma.
Hey,
What's up,
where's Abraham?
He's not in today, bro.
Oh, man.
Super busy with school.
Really?
I'll call that fool to come right now. Look, Taylor made for us.
I was gonna tell him to get to work. That's fucking sick.
Right away, on the way. Let's go. Bro, who's on Bluetooth? She wants to come out in the video.
I've never been up here.
Yeah, you have.
No, I haven't.
We had, this whole room was full of wheels.
You never invited me. Whoa. You got wheels everywhere, man.
Yeah, so my suegro is, my father-in-law is doing the whole flooring, he did all the installation.
So what are you gonna put up here?
This is a new office.
Oh.
So the office downstairs is gonna be the supply room. So we have a restroom in here now.
Wow. Hey, what you got hidden over here?
This is just like the last of what we had in here. This is like 40% of what we have.
Whoa. What is this? The bathroom?
Yeah, wait till you see when it's done. It's gonna be sick.
What is that thing?
Oh, I'll show you later. Look at. Go to that corner over there.
Wait, so is this a room? What is this?
It's a room. It used to be divided.
Oh,
And then I
okay.
guess they dropped the wall to make a slide.
Where are we right now? Oh, okay.
We're gonna make a slide.
No way.
Yeah, it's gonna be sick
No way.
for my kids.
Oh, that'd be sick, dude.
Hasta que la pinche ciudad no. Lo vamos a hacer yo creo en el Irwindale.
If you guys need any stock wheels, Ivan has every single stock wheel you can think of.
Okay, so ahorita les grabo los demás.
Whoa, dude. I love pictures like that.
Vintage pictures?
Vintage. Yo, what kind of shoes you got, dude?
Squeakies.
This is squeakies. Dude, you should have like a haunted house.
Oh yeah, and then the
during
tires,
Halloween or something.
the tires fall over on a customer and then they sue me.
Dude, what do you do with all these tires, man?
I don't know, I'm tired of this shit.
Dude, so much. This is more than like the last time.
It's almost ready.
Ready for what?
Ready to start cleaning, I guess.
Dude,
We filled up again.
huh?
From the last video?
Yo, whoa. Are these real?
No, they're red.
Oh,
Rappies.
this guy.
These are real. Bad man. They're not real, but you know, Japanese wheels, all this other shit's like replica. This is like overstock. This is the only
Are
set
those
of.
real?
No. Those are Alpina replicas. I'm getting a lot of replica shit because nobody wants to pay for the real stuff anymore.
So are we gonna do round 6 or what? VGC?
Round 6 is for sure. We just
Yeah.
need a.
What do we do?
We got
Whoa.
3 spots, 3 possible spots because it's not gonna be done here. The cops are on our ass.
Alright, you heard the man. Do you work out, dude?
No. Don't do shit, bro. I just. Ah, the Impala's gonna get a.
Hey!
How you doing, brother? Good to see you.
Yeah, you like them?
Hey, beautiful. Beautiful, brother. Thank you, Taylor. You're so nice, man. You're a nice,
No
nice
worries,
guy.
no worries. Alright, so I think you liked it. Let's get out of here. We got some work to do. What's up, Shavi?
What you up to?
Today we are going to be installing the new Bag Riders Super Low Kit for the LS400. They were nice enough and sent me a whole set of struts. So we're just gonna plug and play it. But first, shout out to Zach Wilson, man. Zach is always hooking me up with these super cool gigs. And like, he got me on TV and he's now sending me some struts. So thank you, Zach. You're the man. All right, now I have airlift on the car and it's been nothing but good to me. But since I have this opportunity, might as well switch it up and try these out. All right, so let's take a look at what is in the kit. Super cool blue color. But they say not to adjust it, and it's already adjusted to super low. So let's see. They also came with steel braided lines.
Damn, black
fittings.
ones.
Yeah, dude. And a wrench. And stickers.
Super low.
Super low. So I'm just gonna sit here. Shavi's gonna do all the work. So, you ready,
Yeah.
Shavi?
Let's
do it.
Let's get it. Yeah.
I got all the plans for you. If I take all of these hands, would you cancel all your plans? I got all the plans for you. Yeah.
I'm swaggin', committed, young schoolie, hey holy, them Buddhists, they call it, I fuck 'em, I duck 'em. I'm swaggin', young thugger, I'm bleeding, young nigga make a baby, no breathing. I'm a real beast, look out, big bastard, killer, no wardrobe.
With no help from Shavi, we got the front off. So let's compare it to the new ones. So these are a little longer.
Just a tad.
Yeah. You know, Shavi sells camber plates for Mazdas, by the way.
Yeah.
So he knows everything about these things.
So we're testing out, if they're maxed, just like how Taylor had his Tiedemans. But these are recessed. See the Allens? So they're not going to hit his strut tower center hole thing. But these probably will. So we're going to test that out and see if it does. If it does, then we probably need to switch to the Tiedemann so he can still camber it like this and get that clearance to the inner,
So they would hit right here on this thing.
Yep.
Okay, I'm rolling. We jet pack that new Jeep, you know that it's stolen. I had to move on right, that old shit unknowing. I been in a banner, she work it, been doing. I pull up, I cash out, you know that I do. I never, I've been man, she hate that, it's true. I'm in it, I'm missing, she famine away. Some promise, Santana, some things I can't take. What's happening, what's bopping, what's backing, you know. We pull up, we throw sets, we chuck it, then go. We flames, we flamed up, they side out windows. I'm in that, she winning, hanging out windows. I pop it, a Xana, a Perkin, don't burn. If I show yo ass, a perk out.
All right, guys, we got it in.
Without having to swap
I think it'll work. We got good pressure.
Testing out everything.
I be feeling like the man when I walk through. I ain't stunning what you saying when I walk through. I got all these hoes staring when I walk through. I done made a few bands on the walk through. Watch me, hey, why me walk through? Watch me, hey, why me walk through? Watch me, hey, why me walk through? I done made a few bands on the walk through. I done made a few bands on the walk through. People don't know now, I don't talk to. Me and Parliament in the big hill boss too. Sitting at the round table making balls move. I don't walk through with Gucci on my feet. Who got more money, you or me? I'ma walk through usually.
Definitely not as high as there was.
Now that I feel a little better than I felt a while ago, yeah, table for fast G1. You best be prepared, 'cause it's on again, you know. Come on, let's get down, let's get down, let's get down. In my black Chevrolet.
What you talking, Thuggle? I'ma pull up, eat on that pussy and dip. I'ma keep one inside the chamber like whip. Baby girl spoiler, she spoiler than milk. And keep on my side like a fucking help. She gon' make sure I survive, she gon' do it well. Baby, I just want them thighs right under that belt. She just want me to keep them lies out to myself. And she gon' help me like she something else. I had to hit her from the back, then dip up at it. I don't know what it is, but there's something about it. When she around, she do something to me, I can't doubt it. I don't know what it is, but it's about her. Shawty got me fucked up, blunt O's, no howdy. Her ex nigga, he fucked up, and I don't get no fuck about him. But I'll do whatever when it come down to shout it. If they asking questions, I don't know shit about it. Somebody look shawty that I can't put my finger on. It's somebody look shawty, she rather text me on phones. It's somebody look shawty set, they got rich on me count. Shawty the best in my eyes, and I know. She don't do fashion, she don't even go outdoors. Before she was ready, you already knew I know. Shawty made me sick, I'm feeling like I got a cold. Can't forget about my bro. I'ma pull up, eat on that pussy and dip. I'ma keep one inside the chamber like whip. Baby girl spoiler, she spoiler than milk. And keep on my side like a fucking help. She gon' make sure I survive, she gon' do it well. Baby, I just want them thighs